Okay, I'm dropping off yung Big Sky na travel Wi-Fi. Okay. Tapos lagay ko muna ulit. Lagay. Okay, sa loob na siya. Complete. Nasa loob na. Okay, it's inside. Gently place the Tri-Fi Wi-Fi. Okay, ilagay ko sa yan, no? Send us the photo. Yan, send us the photo or video scope return. Big Sky Nation, yan. Okay. Buksan, hulog dito. Okay. Right? So yung return area of yung Big Sky na Wi-Fi is Bay 9, no? Bay 9 arrival area between Bay 7 at saka Bay 9. Nasa Bay 8 pala siya, no? Yung return. So the instructions are here. Kunan ng photo or video, ilagay yung Wi-Fi router, i-cover mo lahat ng video at saka photo, tapos you text at saka email, no? Facebook, sa Facebook din pala nila, or yung text na napadala mo. Okay, very clear. It's in Bay 8, no, of the arrival area.